Hi guys, and welcome back to another update on Annie's Diary. In this vlog today I'm going to be fitting the track rod end to the car. I'm still waiting on parts coming from Eurocar parts, namely the brake disc or brake discs, the pads and shock absorbers. I couldn't remember the third thing I ordered the other day there, but it's pads, shockies and discs. That order was placed over a week ago now, and they haven't even sent me the confirmation email to say that it's with the courier. Why they're not using Royal Mail I don't know, because Royal Mail seem to be here every day, but that's another story. Anyway, I've got the ball joint here, the track rod end here. It's a Delphi part. I've used these parts before and they are decent parts, they are good parts. So what we'll do now is we'll get out to the car and we'll check that it's the same size as what's already on it. So let's get out there. Right, first off, and I also apologise about the wind noise in advance. Right, first off I'm going to give this a little spray with oil and a wire brush. I've already done it. I done it when I took the thing apart, but it won't do any harm to obviously do it again. That's I've got the new track rod end here, so I'll just compare that for size. Yeah, that's pretty much more or less the same size. So when I'm taking this off, so that I don't upset the steering geometry too much, I can just count the amount of threads that it takes to get it off. Right, I've left that soaking for a few minutes and went out and got some tools. So I'll just grip this because I don't want to upset the steering geometry. And I've got a 19mm spanner here. I don't know if that's the right size, but it fits. That's came off really easy. Just shows you what a wee bit of oil can do to you. Starting to get tight again. Right, that would have sat there. So I'm just going to count off how many turns. Right, that's 1, 2, 12 turns. Right, we'll get the new track rod end in and put it back on 12 turns. Right, that's 1, 2, 3, 'Right, that's 12 turns. So I'll lock it off again with the lock nut. The steering on the car will be getting tracked again once it goes for its MOT. Right, that should do it. Well guys, sorry that it was such a short one again, but at least we've set out and achieved what I wanted to achieve. I've obviously got the other side to do. I'll do that when I get the other side off. So yeah, if you have made it this far, once again thanks for watching, and also once again thanks to all the new subscribers that have joined the channel lately. I really do appreciate your support. So if you haven't liked the video, if you're a first time watcher, please like it. If you haven't liked it, just dislike it, you know. I can't please everyone, I do try, but yeah, and also hit that bell notification icon, that way you'll get notified as soon as I upload more videos. So on that note, I'll catch you later. Bye for now.